This is Lenovo's ThinkPad X1 Yoga. It's on its 4th generation now, and it might not look too different at a glance, but actually there is a pretty big difference in this 4th generation system, and that's the new aluminum chassis. This is the first time a ThinkPad has ever had an all aluminum chassis, according to Lenovo, and we did look into it a little bit, and it seems like it checks out. Doesn't look like there's been another one quite like that. Usually, systems from the ThinkPad line will have carbon fiber or magnesium alloy, which are very light and very durable materials, but they have a downside in that they don't really feel all that luxurious to the touch. That's not a problem with the ThinkPad X1 Yoga 4th generation. That aluminum chassis really makes it a very classy and elegant system. It feels like it has a nice heft to it, although it's still only about 3 pounds, so it's not a heavy system. And it has that just the feel of metal, which is reassuring. When you pick it up in your hand, it feels very solid and durable. It is a bit of a safe design, rather conservative design. That's always been true of ThinkPads. So not gonna blow anyone's socks off, but it is elegant and professional, and that's what a lot of people want when they're buying these kind of systems. They want something that's gonna, blend in a meeting room. It's not gonna jump out too much. The X1 Yoga is a system that is a good laptop, and also it's not a bad 2-in-1 for every now and then if you want to use it as a tablet. It does have a 14-inch screen, so it's on the larger side for a 2-in-1, but that gives you a lot of space when you're using it as a laptop. Another highlight of the system has always been the keyboard. That's true of most ThinkPads. We really like the keyboard. You got the track pointer if you're into that, like we are. So it's great to have the track pointer option. Another thing that's always been a star on the Yoga is the display. So we've got a up to 4K display with HDR 400 certification, and that will also get you 500 nits of brightness. Now there's also a 1080p display available, and that has 400 nits of brightness, not HDR, but it does provide a pretty nice, bright, clear picture for an entry-level model. Now the ThinkPad X1 Yoga 4th generation is going to be available in June of 2019, and the pricing is going to be $1929, so that's pretty expensive. That's always been the case with the ThinkPad X1 Yoga. Never been a very affordable system, but this time around with that aluminum chassis, it's definitely going to feel like it's worth every bit of that price.